Guys, morning. So it's Carnival Monday morning, and what we gonna do? We must do something, right? I have never gone Carnival, never played Carnival, so same tradition today. So I gonna do a little road trip. So I'll get around up a little crew, and there we go. After a long drive, very scenic views, right? We reached by the last La Paz lookout, and normally you could see the ocean from here, right? But plenty Sahara dust today, so there's real failure. So we're just chilling, and I think the family gonna take ice cream and stuff. So we'll take a drive again. I don't think having that set up the drone here, it make no sense. So currently I'm on the short Trini 10-minute trail to Sapphire Waterfall, and I can hear it. So let me see where's the scene. So this is the beautiful Sapphire Waterfalls in the Blanchisseuse area. If you know 9 Mile River, right, also known as the Marian River, right, you're just passing that, and a little way coming up, right, and you're park on the side of the road and you're walking about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and you're going to reach what I have it to myself all here. Watch how nice, right? So hopefully I'll take a little bait. I'll let know how it goes.